Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to the world of latex, where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Latex fashion has been making waves, combining the glossy finish of latex with the luxurious feel of leather for an unforgettable look. Audience demand has spoken. Men's latex is not the future, it's the now. Glows, grip, gravity, every move catches the light, every frame drips with power. He doesn't chase attention, he creates it. Black latex, silent, unbreakable. Red latex, fire in motion. Metallic chrome, born from machines. Bold for legends. Every surface screams confidence. Every outfit is engineered to challenge limits. This is not fabric, it's attitude molded into motion. He walks through the frame like a storm wrapped in shine, style it with combat boots. The street king with high collar latex jackets. The futuristic CEO, latex shirt under a trench, mysterious, cinematic, magnetic. Every color tell a story, black for dominance, silver for vision, burgundy for danger. Latex doesn't just fit the body, it defines it. From London runways to Tokyo streets, men's latex is rewriting the language of style. It's no longer a secret, it's a symbol of strength, of evolution, of modern masculinity. Latex for men is more than fashion, it's transformation. It's rebellion polished into art. When he steps out in latex, the world doesn't see just a man, it sees a statement, unbreakable, unforgettable, unreal. A material once hidden in the shadow of rebellion, now standing in the spotlight of style. For men, it's more than a trend, it's a transformation. A symbol of modern confidence wrapped in futuristic design. Once upon a time, latex belonged to subcultures, secret, electric. Fashion evolved, designers dared to reimagine it, turning what was once underground into something extraordinary. From runways in Paris to Milan, red carpets and music stages, latex is no longer about shock, it's about sophistication. Latex is contradiction, it's minimal and loud, and naked and fluid, dark and brilliant. Every surface tells the story of precision, every reflection reveals